When it comes to choosing the best software for email campaigns, two of the most popular names that come up are ActiveCampaign and Constant Contact. So, which one is truly the best for your needs? Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of which platform stands out and which might not be as great as the hype suggests. Plus, we'll take a look at an even better alternative, so make sure you watch until the end. Let's dive straight into it, starting with the first thing you should know: ease of use. ActiveCampaign offers a more robust, feature-rich interface, which could be overwhelming for beginners. It's packed with automation features and advanced reporting tools, but it might take some time to get the hang of it. On the other hand, Constant Contact prides itself on being user-friendly with a simple drag-and-drop editor, making it easier to create email campaigns quickly. If you're just starting out and need something intuitive, Constant Contact might be the way to go. Next, let's talk about automation. ActiveCampaign absolutely dominates this area. The platform is known for its advanced automation features, allowing you to trigger emails based on specific actions and create complex workflows that are customizable. If automation is a priority for you, ActiveCampaign is hands down the winner. Constant Contact, while it does offer automation tools, isn't quite as powerful or customizable. If you're running more sophisticated campaigns, you might find Constant Contact's automation lacking. The third thing to consider is email deliverability. Both ActiveCampaign and Constant Contact have strong reputations when it comes to getting your emails into inboxes, but ActiveCampaign has a slight edge here. ActiveCampaign uses machine learning to optimize deliverability, while Constant Contact does offer reliable deliverability, but it doesn't have the same level of cutting-edge technology behind it. For those serious about inbox placement, ActiveCampaign has the advantage. The fourth thing to discuss is pricing. Constant Contact offers a more straightforward pricing model, but ActiveCampaign can get a bit pricier as you scale your email list. Constant Contact's pricing starts at a lower tier, but if you need more features like email automation, you'll need to upgrade to a higher plan. On the other hand, ActiveCampaign's plans are more flexible, but it might get expensive depending on your business size and the features you need. For small businesses or beginners on a budget, Constant Contact might be the more affordable option. Next, let's look at integrations. ActiveCampaign takes the lead here, offering seamless integrations with a wide range of apps, CRMs, and e-commerce platforms, especially for those running sophisticated email campaigns. Constant Contact also offers integrations, but ActiveCampaigns are more extensive and better suited for businesses that need to connect with various tools. The last thing to consider is customer support. Both platforms offer solid customer support, but Constant Contact shines a little brighter in this category. They provide 24/7 support, live chat, and phone support, which is ideal for those who need quick resolutions. ActiveCampaign support is reliable, but their response time can sometimes be slower compared to Constant Contact. Now, let's wrap this up. Both ActiveCampaign and Constant Contact have their strengths and weaknesses. If you're looking for advanced automation, flexibility, and scalability, ActiveCampaign is the clear winner. But if you're just starting out, need something user-friendly, and are on a budget, Constant Contact may suit you better. However, after trying both of these platforms myself, I believe there's a better alternative out there for email campaigns. So if you want to take your email marketing to the next level with a more efficient and user-friendly solution, I highly recommend you check out the free trial of the first link in the description below. By using our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Don't miss out. So, that's it for today. Both ActiveCampaign and Constant Contact are good, but if you're serious about your email campaigns, there's a better option waiting for you. Check it out in the description and start your free trial now.